Hi, my name is Jeremy Schmidt. I am the Research and Ground Supervisor at Plant Delights Nursery and Juniper Level Botanic Garden. I'd like to invite you out September 17th through 19th and September 24th through 26th to our fall open house. We have over 27,000 different kinds of plants growing on the grounds here for you to explore, take pictures of, learn the names of and how they grow and how they could grow in your garden. By the time mid-September rolls around, this will be probably twice this size. Fall is the best time of year to see a lot of those big-leafed summer plants like colocasias, the elephant ears, like surprise lilies, lycoris is their genus. Plants that bloom with no leaves, hurricane lilies, also known as rhodofiala. They're going to be popping up here and there all over the garden. And Caldwell's original. So this is a hybrid called Extraminia. It's a great time of year to walk through the gardens. So come on out. I'll be here.